Hello guys, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. If you are just coming across my video for the very first time, welcome. My name is Ibrahim Blessing and I'm a data analyst passionate about growth. And in this video, we're looking at how to write a basic select statement. I know I've touched this in my last video, but I want to give you a better explanation on how to use this select statement. All right. So in our last video, we created a database with the name LDA and we created a table for customers, inserting some values into them, some records. So first thing, I'm going to use database. Currently it's on master, so I have to use LD. So it changes that to the database we want to work with. So I execute this and this changes this to LD. So if I want to see all the records in that customer table, I would use this statement, select statement, and say select all. If I want to select all, you use this for all. This asterisk is you selecting all the data from that table. So I would say select all, that asterisk is for all, from where? Customers. Now that from statement is used to specify the table where the data you want to bring in or retrieve is coming from customer. Then I'll end my query and let's run this, execute. Then this returns all the records in the customer table. What if I only want to see just the customer ID as well as the age and the city? I'm not returning all the records or all the data in that table. I would use the select. Then I will specify that I want the customer ID, comma, I want the age, comma, and I want the city. So when you get to this last part, don't add the comma to it, then move to the next one and take it from where? From customer, and I would end my query. So I'm saying select the customer ID. I don't want you to return all the fields in that table. Select the customer ID, then the age, return the city as well. Let's run this and you'd see execute. Then this gave us just the customer ID, the age, and the city, excluding the full name. So if you want to specify what it should return, just list out the name of the columns you want it to return. And this is how you do this. So this is how you use the select statement when you want to retrieve all the data or records from your table as well as specified fields in your table. So what do I mean by specified field? Let me select all. I want to return all the data now. So I'm saying all these are called fields. These columns, every column here are called fields, and every rows in your table are called records. So that is that on that. As usual, don't forget to practice. Don't forget to share to those that you know needs to watch this video. We'll meet again in our next video. Bye.